Hi, and welcome back to Black Lion Financial. Want to start making cash in no time? Well, you're going to want to watch all the way to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you how you can make money just for downloading apps. It's so easy and simple that you can get started right away. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any uploads teaching you different ways to make money online. This method is totally free. No payments are needed. All you need is your device. It can be a phone or a computer, and make sure you have internet access. You don't need any experience or skills to start this method. You can do this from anywhere in the world. So let's visit dollarclicks.com. It's an online rewards website. You can complete surveys and tasks to earn points. And when you have enough points, you can cash out using PayPal or transfer the points into gift cards. They have solid reputation on Trustpilot as well, you can see here. You can also play games and take part in opinion polls to start earning more easy money. There are many fake websites out there that show you scams. Well, you can be assured that we have tested the website and seen some great results. They are legit. They have almost 300,000 members and have paid out a whopping $3 million in payments. How amazing would it be to start earning money just from completing some simple rewards from a trusted website? As we scroll down, you can see here all of the live reports from other users. It shows how many points they are earning in real time. So to get started, what you want to do is click on the sign up option at the top of the page. Once you click that, all you have to do is fill in the form and you're good to go. You can now start earning money online, and if you want to double or triple your earnings, then make sure you have a look at our other videos, because we always only share the very best and most trusted websites out there. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to this channel so you get frequent uploads teaching you how to make money online. Until next time, aim high.